Have you ever wondered how to turn your annual income into your monthly income? Well, you're in the right place. As the saying goes, the best way to predict your future is to create it. And that's precisely what we aim to help you do. Millionaire entrepreneur Robert Kiyosaki once wisely remarked, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." In this documentary series, we'll explore the strategies and secrets that can help you create lasting wealth and financial security. Join us as we journey through 5 chapters, each packed with actionable insights and real-life success stories. We'll delve into investment strategies, side businesses, the power of financial education, career advancement, and developing high-income skills. Get ready to unlock the door to financial freedom. It's time to take control of your financial destiny and learn how to turn your annual income into your monthly income. Let's dive in. Chapter 1, Building Your Wealth Foundation. You see, when it comes to building wealth, it's all about making your money work for you. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. This is a concept that Robert Kiyosaki brilliantly explains in his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In this book, Kiyosaki introduces us to the idea of investing in income-generating assets. Now, what's fascinating is that he points out that many people work hard for their money, but never learn how to make their money work for them. That's where the magic happens. Consider this eye-opening fact. According to a study by the Federal Reserve, over 50% of Americans invest in the stock market. It's a common way to grow wealth. You buy shares of a company, and as the company grows, your wealth grows along with it. But here's the thing, Kiyosaki goes beyond stocks. He encourages us to think about assets like rental properties. These properties can provide you with a steady stream of income every month. Imagine having tenants who pay your mortgage, and you still make a profit on top of that. It's like having a money tree in your backyard. Now let me share a quote from Rich Dad, Poor Dad that really hits home. "The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them." This quote beautifully encapsulates the essence of this strategy. It's about shifting your mindset from being solely an employee to becoming an investor. So here's the strategy in a nutshell. Start looking for income-generating assets. Invest in things that can put money in your pocket regularly. It could be stocks that pay dividends, real estate that generates rental income, or even a small business that generates profits while you sleep. The key takeaway from this chapter is that building your wealth foundation starts with understanding the power of income-generating assets. It's about making your money work for you, just as hard as you work for it. Chapter 2, The Side Business Revolution. It's time to explore the concept of creating a business that runs on autopilot, as Timothy Ferriss so brilliantly puts forth in his book, The 4-Hour Workweek. Imagine this, you're earning money while you sleep, travel, or enjoy your favorite hobbies. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's a real possibility, and Ferriss shows us the way. Ferriss introduces us to the concept of lifestyle design. It's about crafting a life where you have more freedom and flexibility. One powerful strategy he discusses is creating a business that doesn't require your constant presence. This could be an online business, consulting, or any venture that has the potential to scale. Here's a mind-boggling statistic. According to the U.S. Small Business Administration, there are over 31 million small businesses in the United States alone. Many of these businesses are operated by just one person or a small team. What's fascinating is that technology and the internet have made it easier than ever to start and run these businesses from anywhere in the world. Ferriss encourages us to think beyond the traditional 9-to-5 job and explore opportunities where we can leverage technology to do the heavy lifting. He famously says, "The goal is not to simply eliminate the bad, which does nothing more than leave you with a vacuum, but to pursue and experience the best in the world." One key strategy in achieving this is the concept of outsourcing. Imagine delegating tasks to experts or virtual assistants, allowing you to focus on what you do best. This not only saves you time, but also opens up new possibilities for scaling your business. So here's the strategy for this chapter. Start exploring side businesses that have the potential to generate income without you being tied to them 24/7. Leverage technology, outsource tasks, and design a life where you have more freedom and control over your time. Chapter 3, Mastering Financial Education. In this chapter, we're going to delve into the importance of financial education and smart investing strategies, drawing inspiration from Benjamin Graham's classic book, The Intelligent Investor. If you're serious about turning your annual income into your monthly income, this chapter is a crucial step on your journey. Picture this. You wouldn't jump into a race car and speed off without first learning how to drive, right? Well, the same applies to your financial journey. You need to equip yourself with knowledge. And Graham's book is a treasure trove of wisdom in this regard. First, let's talk about the importance of financial education. According to a study by the National Endowment for Financial Education, only 24% of millennials demonstrate basic financial literacy. This means that a large portion of the population lacks the fundamental knowledge needed to make informed financial decisions. Graham emphasizes that to become an intelligent investor, one must first understand the basics of finance and investment. It's not about blindly following trends or stock tips from your neighbor. It's about making well-informed decisions based on facts and analysis. One key strategy from Graham's book is the concept of value investing. He encourages investors to seek out undervalued stocks and invest in them for the long term. This strategy has been successfully employed by legendary investors like Warren Buffett, who once said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." Graham also advocates for diversification, which is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Diversification is like having a financial safety net that cushions you in turbulent times. Here's the strategy in a nutshell. Start by investing in your financial education. Learn the basics of finance and investing. Understand the power of compounding, which Albert Einstein famously called the eighth wonder of the world. Then consider value investing and diversification as core strategies to grow your wealth steadily over time. As we move forward in our journey, we'll explore more strategies to help you on your path to financial freedom. But remember, knowledge is your greatest asset, and in the world of finance, it pays dividends. Chapter 4, Elevating Your Career. It's time to discuss how you can supercharge your income by focusing on your career, drawing inspiration from the timeless advice in Richard N. Bola's book, What Color is Your Parachute? Think of your career as a ladder. The higher you climb, the more you can earn. But what if you're feeling stuck on one rung? Bolas's book is like a roadmap to help you navigate the ladder and reach new heights. Let's start with a striking statistic. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median usual weekly earnings of a full-time wage and salary worker in the United States is around $990. Now imagine what a significant increase in your career earnings could do for your financial goals. Bola's book encourages us to think beyond the job title and consider our skills, interests, and values. He famously said, "The more you understand what makes you tick, the more likely you are to find a career that suits you." One strategy is to actively seek out opportunities for growth within your current job. Consider asking for additional responsibilities or taking on projects that showcase your skills. This not only demonstrates your value to your current employer, but also positions you for potential promotions and salary increases. Another strategy is exploring new career paths. In today's rapidly evolving job market, it's possible to transition into more lucrative fields. For example, the tech industry is known for offering high-paying roles, and many companies are actively seeking skilled professionals. Networking plays a vital role in career advancement too. According to a survey by LinkedIn, 85% of all jobs are filled via networking. Building and maintaining professional relationships can open doors to opportunities you might not have considered. So here's the strategy. Evaluate your current career path, identify opportunities for growth, and actively seek ways to advance. If your current career isn't aligning with your financial goals, don't be afraid to explore new paths. Network with professionals in your desired field and learn about the skills and qualifications required to make the leap. Chapter 5, Unleashing High-Income Skills. In this chapter, we're diving deep into the world of high-income skills, a concept beautifully explored in Cal Newport's book, So Good They Can't Ignore You. If you're serious about turning your annual income into your monthly income, this is the chapter for you. Think about your skills for a moment. What are you really good at? Now imagine if those skills could not only be your passion, but also your pathway to financial success. That's what Newport's book is all about. Here's an interesting fact. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, jobs that require specialized skills often pay significantly higher salaries than jobs that don't. This means that by mastering high-income skills, you can position yourself for better paying opportunities. Newport's book emphasizes the importance of becoming exceptional at something valuable in the market. He argues that passion follows mastery, not the other way around. This means that instead of chasing your passion, focus on becoming excellent at something that others are willing to pay for. Let's add a unique quote from Newport's book to the mix. Passion comes after you put in the hard work to become excellent at something valuable, not before. This quote underscores the idea that mastery and value creation are the keys to unlocking high-income opportunities. Now onto strategy. If you want to turn your annual income into your monthly income, you need to start developing high-income skills. These are skills that are in high demand and command top dollar in the job market. Consider skills like coding and programming, digital marketing, data analysis, or even specialized trades like plumbing or electrical work. These skills are not only valuable, but also recession-proof, making them excellent choices for those seeking financial stability and growth. The strategy here is clear. Identify high-income skills that align with your interests and strengths. Invest time and effort in mastering these skills through courses, workshops, or on-the-job training. Once you've become exceptional at something valuable, you'll find that opportunities to increase your income will naturally follow. As we move forward in our journey towards financial freedom, remember that developing high-income skills is a powerful step. It's about becoming so good at something that you can't be ignored in the job market. Keep honing those skills and watch as your income starts to reflect your expertise. Stay tuned for more insights in our next video.